Hello students, a very good morning to one and all. In today's class, we will start with our chapter 2 of workbook. And in that, the chapter's name is Counting in Groups. Yes students, so the chapter 2 is Counting in Groups. We will start with the part 1. Let us understand some of the examples before starting our exercises. Okay. So student, on the screen you can see an object, right? So it is a living object, right? This is the picture of a flower. Okay. So students, on the screen, as you can see, this is a picture of a flower. So we have to count this flowers. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So students, how many flowers are there? So the total flowers are 9. So students, we have count this one by one. Okay. So students, we have count this one by one. Okay. So now in this chapter, we have to count these objects in group. So let's see the other example. So students, as you can see on the screen, this is the picture of a tree. Yes students. So we have to count these trees in group. Okay. So as you can see, this is the row 1. In row 1, how many trees are there? Only 1. In the row 2, how many trees are there? 2. And in the row 3, how many trees are there? 3. So students, if I add row 1 and 2, so in row 1, how many trees are there? 1. And in row 2, 2 trees are there. So 1 plus 2 is 3. And from that, 3. And in the row 3, how many trees are there? 3. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Yes students. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So students, here we have done this by counting the trees in group. Okay students. Now let us understand the other example. Yes students. So as you can see on the slide that these are the picture of cars. Okay students. So in the row 1, only 1 car is there. In the row 2, 3 cars are there. And in the row 3, 4 cars are there. So students, if I add row 1 and 2, so in row 1, 1 and in the row 2, 3 cars are there. So students, if I add 1 plus 3, what is the answer? 4. And 4 plus 4, in the row 3, how many cars are there? 4. So 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Yes students, so the answer is 1 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 8. So in this way students, we have to count the objects according to the group wise. Okay. So now let us understand how to count in groups when the objects are given in pairs. Pair means where there are 2 objects. Okay students. So as you can see, these are the picture of balls. Okay. So how many pairs are there? 3 pairs are there. And in one pair, how many balls are there? 2 balls are there. Okay students. So in every pair, 2 balls are there. So we have to count it according to the group. So how many pairs are there? 3. And in each pair, 2 balls are there. So what will be the answer students? Guess it? Yes, 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 6. Let's see the other example. So here students, as you can see on the screen, 3 boxes are given and in 3 boxes Each box contains 3 butterflies. So students, how to count in groups when there are more than 2 objects? Okay, so here 3 objects are given in one box. Okay students, so we have to count it in group. So in one box 3 butterflies are there. So in the same manner, all the 3 boxes contains how many butterflies? So here students, you have to count it, that 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to how many butterflies? So students, 3 plus 3 is equals to 6 and 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. So what is the answer? 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equals to 9. Now here we have completed our examples. So we will start with our exercise part. So students, open your workbook and take out page number 14. Chapter 2 is counting in groups. So the question number 1 is count and add horizontally as well as vertically. One has been done as an example. So here students, as you can see, the first picture is of a ball. So students, we have to count this ball in group. So in the first row, as you can see, only one ball is there. In the second row, 2 balls are there. And in the third row, 3 balls are there. So students, if I have to add row 1 and 2. So in the row 1, only 1 ball is there. And in the row 2, 2 balls are there. So 1 plus 2 is 3. And if I add 3 plus 3, that means I have already added 1 plus 2 and the answer is 3. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. So here students, we have to write this vertically also and horizontally also. So students, 1 plus 2, that means you can count this in your fingers also. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3. And when you add this 3 to the other 3, okay, so that the answer is 6. So students, here you have to practice to count in groups and you can add that by using your fingers. Okay. So students, now in this question number 1, we have to add these objects in group and we have to write down them horizontally also and vertically also. Vertically means हमें सीधा लिखना है and horizontally means हमें टेढ़ा लिखना है. As you can see, it is given in the example number 1. Okay, so now we will start our question number 1. So students, be ready with your pencil and rubber. Okay, so as you can see, the second object is a balloon. So students, we have to add it in group. Okay, we don't have to count it one by one. Okay, we have to add them in group. So in the first row, as you can see, 1 and 2 balloons are there. In the second row, 3 balloons are there. And in the third row, 4 balloons are there. So when we add 2 plus 3, students, what will be the answer? Yes, 5. And if I add that 5 to 4, so what will be the answer? 9. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 9. Students, you can add them according to this way. Okay, we have to write them vertically. सीधा भी लिखना है and हमें horizontally. Horizontally means टेढ़ा भी लिखना है. So let's continue with the third one. So the third one is, yes, stars. So students, now here you have to identify that in the first row 3 stars are there, in the second row 4 stars are there, and in the third row 5 stars are there. So if I add row 1 and 2, that means if I add 3 plus 4 stars, so what will be the answer? 7. And if I add that 7 to 5, so what will be the answer? 12. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 12. The next one is glass. So students, in this way, 3 rows will be given to you and you have to add them in group. So in the row 1, only 1 glass is there. In the row 2, 4 glass are there. And in the row 5, so students, the next one is the picture of a glass. So here 3 rows are given and we have to count them in group. So in the first row only 1 glass is there. And in the second row 4 glass are there. And in the third row 5 glasses are there. So students, if I add 1 plus 4, so 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. And if I add that 1 plus 4, that is answer is 5. Okay, so if I add 5 plus 5, so what will be the answer? 10. Okay, so let's continue with the fifth one. Here you can see circles are there. So in the first row, 2 circles are there. In the second row, 4 circles are there. And in the third row, 5 circles are there. So students, if I add 2 plus 4, the answer is 6. And when you add 6 to 5, so what will be the answer? 11. Yes, you have to write down this horizontally also and vertically also. So let's continue with the next one. Yes, as you can see, this is the triangle. So in the first row, 2 triangles are there. In the second row, 3 triangles are there. And in the third row, 5 triangles are there. So when you add 2 plus 3, what will be the answer, students? 5. And when you add that 5 to the other 5, so 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Now the next one. So students, as you can see that this object looks like a diamond. Okay. So in the first row only 1 diamond is there. In the second 3 diamonds are there. And at the last, that means the third row, 5 diamonds are there. So 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. And if I add that 4 to 5, so what will be the answer? 9. So students, आपको सीधा भी लिखना है and आपको टेढ़ा भी लिखना है. As you can see on the screen, in that box, हमें box दिए गए हैं. We have to write down them horizontally also and vertically also. Okay. Now the last picture is of, yes, toffees. We all like toffees. So in the first row, only 1 toffee is there. In the second row, 3 toffees are there. And in the last, that means third row, 4 toffees are there. So students, when you add 1 toffee to the other 3 toffees, so what is the answer? So in the first row, 1 toffee is there. In the second row, 3 toffees are there. And in the third row, 4 toffees are there. Okay students, so when we add this 1 toffee to the other 3 toffees, so 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. And if we add that 4 to the other 4 toffees, so our answer is 8. So students, we have count them in groups. Okay, now we will once again revise this. Okay, so the second one is the picture of balloon. So when you add the 2 balloons to the other 3 balloons, so the answer is 5. And when we add that 5 to 4, so the answer is 9. The next is stars. So students, 3 rows are given. In one row, in the first row, that means 3 stars are there. In the second row, 4 stars are there. And in the third row, 5 stars are there. So when you add 3 plus 4, the answer is 7. And when we add that 7 to 5, the answer is 12. The next is glass. Okay, so in the first row only 1 glass is there. In the second row 4 glasses are there. And in the third row 5 glasses are there. So 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. and that 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. The next object is circle. So 2 plus 4 is equals to 6, and when you add that 6 to 5, the answer is 11. The next is triangle. So in the first row, 2 triangles are there. In the second row, 3 triangles are there. And in the third row, 5 triangles are there. So when you add 2 plus 3 plus 5, so the answer is 10. Now the second last is, yes, diamond. So in the first row, only one diamond is there. In the second row, 3 diamonds are there. And in the third row, 5 diamonds are there. So when you add 1 plus 3 plus 5, the answer is 9. The last one is toffee. So in the first row, only one toffee is there. In the second row, 3 trophies are there. And in the third row, 4 trophies are there. So 1 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 8. So now students, we will continue with the question number 2, and that is on page number 15. Count and group and add. One has been done as an example. Now here students, in this question, pairs are given. Okay, so in one box, objects are given in pair. As you can see, the first, that 4 boxes are given, and in each box, a ball is an object, and they are in pair. Okay, so how many pairs are there? 4 pairs students. As you can see, count it, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 pairs are there, and in each pair, so students, let us understand the first example. Okay students, so now 4 boxes are given, and in each box, ball is there, and they are given in pairs. Okay students, a pair means 2 objects are given. Okay, so let's count them in group. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. How many boxes are there? 4. And in that, how many balls are there? 2 balls are there. So students, when you add this 2 4 times, the answer is 8. As you can see, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 8. So in this way students, we have to count in groups the other objects given in this question. So the second one is the picture of balloon. The third is chocolate. And the last one is stars. So students, let's start with our question number 2. So as you can see, in the second one, balloons are there. So these balloons are given in pair in the box. So students, count it. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So, and in each box, 2 balloons are there. So when you add this 2 5 times, the answer is 10. As you can see students, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is equals to 10. When you add 2 5 times, the answer is 10. Now the third one. So students, the third one is chocolate. Okay students, so how many pairs are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So students, 9 pairs are given. Okay, and in each pair, 2 chocolates are there. So when you add this 2 9 times, the answer is 18. As you can see, that you have to write down this way. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means it becomes 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So now when you add this 2 to 9 times, the answer becomes 18. Okay students. Now the last one. So the last one is stars. Okay, so now let's count how many pairs of stars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 pairs are given, and in each pair 2 stars are there. So students, when you add this 2 to 12 times, okay, so you have to write down this, okay. That means you have to write down this 2 12 times. That means 2 plus 2. Like this way, you have to write down this till 12. Okay, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. In this way, when you add 2 to 12 times, so the answer is 24. Now we will revise this question number 2 once again. So from the second one. So students, as you can see, balloons are there. How many pairs of balloons are there? 5. And in each pair, 2 balloons are there. So when you add this 2 5 times, that means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So the answer is 10. Third one is chocolate. So there are 9 pairs of chocolate. Now when you add this 2 9 times, the answer is 18. The last one. How many pairs of stars are there? Yes. Students, you have to count it. That means 12 pairs are there. And in each pair, 2 stars are there. So when you add this 2 12 times, so the answer is 24. Now students, question number 3, 4 and 5 is your homework. Okay. So I will just explain this and you have to do it by yourself. Okay. Now the question number 3 is say more or less. Students, different objects are given. Okay. उनके pictures दिए गए हैं. You have to count it one by one and you have to answer it कि ये 10 से ज़्यादा है या 10 से कम है. As you can see, the first one है ना, first one example दिया गया है. जैसे कि these are the cylinder shaped object है ना. So ये 10 से ज़्यादा है तो इसमें टिक मार्क किया हुआ है जैसे कि more than 10. Okay. Now in this way you have to count the other objects and you have to answer it. आपको आंसर में टिक मार्क करना है कि ये 10 से ज़्यादा है या 10 से कम. The question number 4 is say more or less. Count in group and put tick mark for the correct answer given in the box. One has been done as an example. So here students, इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में आपको काउंट करना है पहले ग्रुप्स में एंड देन यू हैव टू आंसर. फिर आपको आंसर देना है कि ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं 10 से ज़्यादा है या 10 से कम है. एज यू कैन सी पहला एग्जांपल दिया गया है दैट कितने पेयर्स है स्टूडेंट्स? 4 पेयर्स है और हर पेयर में 2 एप्पल्स है. सो व्हेन यू एड दिस, मतलब 2 को जब आप 4 बार प्लस करोगे तो आंसर आता है 8. दैट मीन्स ये 8 एप्पल्स है जो 10 से कम है. ओके. सो ऐसे ही आपको मार्बल्स के, स्टार्स के एंड दिस टॉफीज एंड आइसक्रीम कोन्स के, ओके, आपको ग्रुप्स में काउंट करना है और आंसर देना है एंड आपको बॉक्स में टिक मार्क करना है. नाउ द लास्ट वन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ question number 5 is draw the objects in the empty box and complete the group as asked. So students, यहाँ पे different groups दिए गए हैं. Okay, so in this you have to draw the objects. जैसे कि first में group है 2-2 का and in the last box you have to draw the balls. Okay, second में trees हैं तो आपको दोनों बॉक्स में trees draw करने हैं. ऐसे ही आपको सारे बॉक्सेस में ये कंप्लीट करना है. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी हैव कंप्लीटेड पार्ट 1 ऑफ आवर वर्कबुक चैप्टर नंबर 2. इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द सेम चैप्टर.